Hi everyone, in this video I'm just going to be quickly showing you how I made my own purple shampoo to tone my 613 blonde wig. You're going to need a shampoo. I'm using the Tresemme Smooth and Silky shampoo, which I'm pouring into a small cup. And then you're also going to need gentian violet. This is like under 30 bucks, it clicks. That's what you're going to use to turn your shampoo purple, and then it looks like this. I'm gonna quickly dump it in a sink full of hot water. Give it a quick stir until the water turns purple like this. Next, I'm going to protect my knots from changing color with the Glamour Lace spray. You can use whatever holding spray that you have. It can be got to be glued or whatever. I just used the spray that I had. Next, I'm gonna dip the hair into the purple water, and I'm also going to give that a quick rinse in the purple water. And as you can see, it's already starting to change color. As you can see, the harsh yellow is changing into a very dull silver looking color, and I was so impressed with this. I didn't think it was gonna work, but it actually turned out really nice. So I'm just dipping it into the water, and then I think I left it for like 5 minutes because I was too scared that it might turn silver instead of ash blonde. And this is the final result. I hope you guys liked the video. Bye.